Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. Directly to the video. Firstly, you are seeing as a borderless fancy rangoli silk sarees with beautiful running peacock embroidery design and tussals attached pallu along with a contrast jacquard blouse. This collection is priced at 670 rupees. And moving to the next collection, you are seeing as a fancy soft silk sarees. The material used is very soft and light in weight. Beautiful zari woven designs in the borders enhancing the elegance of this collection. And also these sarees are coming with a rich pallu and a plain blouse. This beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 800 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. Check the description for more details. And please avoid making direct calls, and also note our payment mode is through online only. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.